Okay, good day everyone. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make different lines using line type. So first, type in the command box line type and then press enter, and then you can see the line type manager and the different line type. So to add different lines, so just click load and then you can see different line types. So today I'm gonna choose line zigzag, tracks, and phantom 2 and click OK, and then there you have it. You can see it in the line type manager, and then you can press OK. And now let us start making line. So first let us make the normal line. Click the line icon above and then specify first the point, then move to the right and then make a straight line, and then type the measurement, and then so I decided to use 15. So here you can now have a normal line. So to apply your selected line type, type again line type and then choose zigzag, press OK, and again click the line icon above, specify the point, specify the point and then your desired measurement and click enter. So here you have a zigzag line. The process is still the same for the other line type. Type again line type and then choose your desired line type, press OK, and then choose the line icon above, specify point, move to your right, type your measurement and press enter. So just do the same thing to the last line type. Phantom 2 and OK, the line icon above, specify the point and the measurement of 15. And here, there you have it. It's just as simple as that. So please don't forget to click subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.